Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create this classy lace nail design. This nail design looks very classy and very gorgeous and is sure to catch anyone's attention. But before we begin, please do subscribe to my channel because it's absolutely free, and also hit on the bell icon. Now without wasting any more time, let's start. So for this nail design you will need a base coat, black nail polish, a top coat. I've picked a matte top coat this time, and a striper or liner brush. So let's begin the design by applying the base coat. After the base coat dries, we shall need the black nail polish and the liner brush. Dip the tip of the brush into the black polish and make a black outline along the entire nail like so. Once the outline dries, take the liner brush and dip it into the black polish once again. And now start making the lace pattern. To make the lace pattern, create several swirls onto your nail as shown. Use the brush in the same way you would use a paintbrush. Let your grip be firm but not too tight. And that's how the design will turn out. Once the design is completely dry, seal it with a top coat. And there you have your classy and gorgeous lace nail design, which is ready to catch everyone's attention. That's it for today guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit on the like button. Share this video with your friends and family and all the nail art lovers out there. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit on the bell icon. I'll see you guys next time with more such great videos. Till then, bye.